this video, I will show you how to order a special item in a retail store using point of sale within Total Management Evolution software. Let's say a customer comes in and they are looking to replace a specific mini blind for their RV. The customer has the dimensions, and the mini blinds are not something that's kept in stock in the store, so it needs to be special ordered. From the Home tab of the POS portion of the software, we'll select New POS Order. Our preference is set to automatically open a new POS order as a cash customer, but in this case, we need to enter the customer's information so we can make contact as soon as the part arrives. So I'll click Select Customer. If this were a customer's first visit to the dealership, I would select Add New Customer here. But this customer has been in the store before, so I'll type the first two letters of the last name here. Select Enter on the keyboard. Now, once I've found the customer's name on the list below, I'll first select this magnifying glass to the left. Be sure that their contact information is up to date. Our customer says his telephone number has changed, so we'll update that to be sure that we have accurate information. Save and close. And now we can just simply double-click on the customer's name, and it will update it for us. Now we'll go over to the item search and see if we can't find this blind for our customer. There it is. We found it. We'll click on Select here on the left, and that adds it to the order for us. Now let's say we couldn't find that item in the catalog. We'll come over to Special Item, select Create PO Number, and it'll automatically create a purchase order number for us. We'll throw in a description with the customer's dimensions, how many the customer would like, the item cost, we'll say it's $20. The markup and final price will automatically populate for you. And we'll enter a supplier's name. In this case, it's Winnebago. Save and close. And now the item is here. Now let's go ahead and remove this one. We'll stick with that special order item that we just went ahead and added. I'll delete that item. Now at this point, depending on your store policy, some dealerships require a deposit. Some dealerships will require a full payment at this point. In most cases, you're going to take a deposit because if there's shipping costs or a final price may change, you want to make sure that you're getting accurate pricing. So we'll come over here and select Receive Deposit. I'll say the customer is giving me a $10 deposit. I'll enter that amount here. And I'll also overwrite this and enter the $10 here as well. Apply payments and close, and that's going to print a receipt. I don't need a receipt, so at this point I'm just going to apply payments and continue. I'll say OK to confirm, select Done, and close. You've given your customer the receipt. Now we can finalize the information that needs to be done. We'll select Order Requirements below, and you can see our part here is automatically entered for us. We'll go ahead and create this purchase order, telling us just to confirm that it's been created. Select Done. Now let's say it's tomorrow already for video purposes, and the part has come in. I'll select Receive Items. I'll search by vendor. Select Winnebago. Here's my part. Select my quantity received. Select Receive Parts. Confirm. Done. Now at this point, I'll contact the customer. Now for video purposes, we'll say the customer has come in and we'll finalize the sale. I'll open the order. Complete and process. We'll say the customer is giving us a check today. Enter the check number here, the amount that the customer is giving us. And at this point, you would apply payments, print receipt, and start a new sale. However, I don't need to print a receipt for video purposes, so I'm just going to select Apply Payments, Continue, Confirm, This message just tells us that there's no other payments that are due from John. I'll select OK. Close. And now it's disappeared from the list because the order is complete. And that's it. We've just ordered a special part for a customer, received it, and finalized the payment.